Within VirtusNova, you're able to downgrade from, for example, the Ultimate to the Premium subscription, or from the Premium to the Basic subscription. Because each membership comes with its own set of limitations, this video focuses on how to remove audiences. As you can see here, the Ultimate plan is currently limited to a certain set of maximum audiences. Hence, we need to remove any surplus or extra audiences. Let's go ahead and do just that. We navigate back to the home screen. Once on the home screen, make sure that you have the correct brand selected, where you want to be removing certain audiences from. Come to the left side navigation and click on Brands. Scroll further down until you see the Audience section. And from here, delete any surplus brands. Note that the order in which you have these brands does not matter. In this case, we obviously have audiences, so we can, for example, delete the first one or the second one. Let's go ahead and delete the second one here. And now that we only have 2 audiences, we are able to downgrade our plan as intended.